Few days ago, someone asked me, is there a reason why you use Microsoft Notepad over Notepad++? Notepad++ is overall superior in every context. Plus, it also has macros. To be honest, I like simple stuff. I like Notepad from Microsoft, and I also love free and open source software. I have known about Notepad++, and I think only once in my lifetime I have used Notepad++ to edit the XML file of my website's theme. I think it was almost like 5 to 6 years ago when I first got into making website and all that. Right now, Notepad has changed so much. It has so many new features. At the same time, it has gotten worse because of the AI, and I don't know why Microsoft decided to put AI in it and also a Microsoft account. Now, the worst part is the AI doesn't work unless you pay for it. So it's kind of useless. Okay, so you need a subscription to use the AI features, but overall the app still is pretty good. I actually almost forgot about Notepad++ existence. So thank you so much for the comment, and today we're gonna try out the Notepad++ and see if the Notepad++ is actually better than the default Notepad from Microsoft. Now, before we begin, there is one more thing you need to know about both of these tools. Just recently, both tools had a vulnerability. So it's also kind of scary, but thankfully, both of these vulnerabilities have been fixed. Notepad++ was actually more dangerous than the Notepad's vulnerability. Now it's time to download this. There is the official website. We can get it from there, or we can go to the GitHub. Let's get it from the GitHub. Why not? And we can go to releases. It was updated 3 weeks ago. So let's download the 64-bit exe. You know what? Before we even install it, let's scan for the virus. You know, it's a good practice when you download free and open source softwares. Okay, most of the time they're fine, but sometimes there might be someone doing some shady stuff with the good programs. So it's a good idea to do a virus scan. It says nothing detected. Good. So we're clean to install this. So let's install and see if it's actually better than the Notepad. Now, one thing that I'm not liking already is the light mode. You know, Notepad has the dark mode. It looks cool. Okay, you can't deny that. Only thing that I just don't like is the AI feature in it. Even if it's a free and simple program, the AI feature is not even free. Okay, you can't summarize or write anything. It's just a basic tool. So all these AI features and Microsoft account embedded to this shouldn't be a thing. So is there any way to make Notepad++ dark mode? Let me do a research. Settings, preferences, dark mode. Okay, it has the dark mode. I like it. Oh yeah, follow Windows. I can also do that, but dark mode is good. Okay, I think now it looks 100 times better. Now, the Notepad++ isn't just a text editor. It's also a code editor. So it's more advanced than the Notepad for sure. Let's do a test actually. Let's open a .md file in Notepad. Recently, I have been actually vibe coding and making some actual useful apps. You can find those apps in my GitHub. You'll find the link for my GitHub in the description. So yeah, for that, I actually need to open and edit different types of text formats or file formats. So let's see how it looks and works in Notepad. The MD file looks kind of fine in Notepad. And now let's try on Notepad++. In my opinion, Notepad++ is better when you want to do a editing. Because, you know, there are lines. It feels like I'm using a code editor, which is actually true about the Notepad. It can also edit the codes. Notepad looks good. You know, it looks modern for displaying the text and background because it has Windows 11 style theme in it. So it's fine, the Notepad, but I don't think it's good for editing the MD file. You can see it here. Okay, if I want to edit the MD file, I think the Notepad++ is better. Okay, it's just better, and I think you can also understand that. Now, just recently, Microsoft made Notepad better by adding these new features like the Markdown and everything. You can even insert a link in here. That's good. With these new features, Notepad is actually a pretty good editor. Plus, it looks good and it comes with the operating system. You don't have to install any third-party applications. That is the reason why I have been using Notepad. But if you want to do more advanced editing, like the MD file editing or HTML or anything like that, I think the Notepad++ is better. Okay, let's actually open a HTML file here from one of my free and open source apps code base. Okay, so let's do a wow, okay, it's a small one, but you can see the formatting of the HTML in Notepad++ is good. Okay, not gonna say better because we have not tested that in Notepad, but I already know the result. Okay, so let's edit in Notepad. I mean, it also has the formatting pretty good, but for some reason, maybe it's just because just recently I started coding, the Notepad++ formatting, the way it displays the text and the way you can edit, the way it highlights feels better. Okay, it just feels better in my opinion. Okay. Like for example, let's say I want to edit this one. There is no highlight of the line, but here it has the highlight. It just acts like a code editor. I mean, it's a code editor. It's not just a simple text editor, so makes sense. Now, let's test out some simple things, maybe, making the text bigger and all that. So let's highlight this. I have not used this tool before, so I don't know how to use it in Notepad. It's pretty easy and simple to use. Since I use Blogger to, publish my post and write everything, it feels familiar. At the top, you have all the tools to format your text, and I feel like it's easier to do in Notepad. Since I have not used Notepad++ that much, I don't know if it can even do this. It can probably do it. I may have to do some research, but it feels pretty easy to do in Notepad. Okay. So Notepad doesn't have the formatting. Okay, now I think I've hit the point. Now I understand Notepad++ is good, actually better than Notepad for viewing and editing codes like HTML or any other coding format. Okay, it can handle those things way better than the Notepad. Okay, Notepad can also handle it, can show you properly, but when it comes to editing, I think the Notepad++ is better. Okay, it is a code editor rather than just simple text editor. But one thing that it's missing that Notepad has is the text formatting. So if you wanna, let's say, write something, maybe a blog post, Notepad is better, and Notepad++ is better because it can code better. Okay, or you can edit your codes better. Let's try to edit this tsx file in here, Notepad++. Yeah, this looks much better. Now let's try this with the Notepad. Edit with Notepad. Yeah, it displays it properly, but it doesn't feel right, okay, because everything feels plain. Okay, on the other hand, on Notepad++, you can see the things are highlighted differently. For code editing, Notepad++ is better. For text editing, the Notepad is better because it has the formatting. If you're into code editing, you're a dev, you probably use better code editor like VS Code or something. But still, if you want something lightweight to view your code or quickly edit and adjust your code, Notepad++ is better. Okay, it's just better than the Notepad. If you're not a code editor, you don't need to view or edit your code, I don't think Notepad++ is worth it for you. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about the Notepad++ or the Notepad? I think Notepad is good for text editor, and the Notepad++ is good if you want to view and edit the code. And hopefully Microsoft won't ruin the Notepad and turn it into Copilot pad or Notepad something. I don't know. That's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or have any suggestions for me, you can always do the comment and we can have some chit chat in the comment section too. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye.